All right, January 20th, 2023, 6 o'clock in the morning. We got up at 4:30 and get ready, and our Roka in the back, our driver, Sharju's here in the house. So he gonna drive us to where?
Namchi.
Nanchi. What is Nanchi?
Namchi like that. Chardham.
What's the Jadam?
Like Chardham is a Hindu temple.
Hindu temple. Okay.
Hindu temple.
Okay.
Then we will visit there. Then after that, Solo Fort.
Okay.
And after that will come the Buddha Park.
Okay.
Then evening time we will reach the Tasidane. We will stay there. We will there.
Okay, so we are going to visit 4 places today. So first is a very famous Hindu temple. So we're gonna visit Chadam, which is a Hindu temple. So we're gonna visit there, spend some time, and then we're gonna go other places, and then come along with us, okay? So we're gonna show you what Sikkim got to offer for us. So hold tight and wish us safe. Thank you. Say thank you.
So thank you.
So it's 6 o'clock in the morning, no cars on the road. Well, some cars, but at 6 o'clock in the morning is better. So then no traffic, almost no traffic, easy drive. So we try to get to our destination without the traffic. So we spend more time at the monasteries or any other places. So this is one of the things we get up early, so leave early. And get to our places early, so which is really nice. And you can see on the road, it doesn't feel like does not feel like I'm in India. So nice. So we fit in the road. Oh, there's traffic. You're gonna pass the track. Okay, that's fine.
Okay. We are starting South Sikkim from here. Yeah, it starts at
Sunrise. Sunrise. Okay, after a couple hours drive, we reached the Namchi city of Sikkim. It's a beautiful mountain hill city. It's Namchi in Sikkim. This is Namchi city. But our destination is going to be way up the top of the mountain. Right there, that's our destination. So we do another probably 20 to 30 minutes to reach up there. We just took a shot here. So this is a Namchi city. It's a beautiful city, mountain city. It's amazing. It's beautiful. Wow.
sea everywhere.
Yeah.
Okay, we start for Siddheshwara Dham. Start from right now. So we came already Namchi town, downtown. So it will become 3 kilometer distance from here. So it will become Char Dham. We are going for Char Dham.
Okay, so where are we going right now?
Pardon?
Where are we going right now?
Oh, Chardham.
Chardham?
Chardham.
What is Chardham?
Chardham is Siddheshwara Dham. It's a Hindu temple.
What's a Chardham? What is it?
It is a Hindu temple.
Uh-huh.
It's called Shiv Mandir.
Uh-huh.
Shiv Mandir.
Okay.
Okay, you define it. Where? Ah, yeah, lot of is there.
Also, red color panda, yeah?
Yeah, oh right, oh yeah. Red color panda.
Well, prayer flags here too. See? Siddheshwara Dham.
Siddheshwara Dham.
Siddheshwara Dham.
Siddheshwara
Dham.
Okay, welcome to Siddheshwara.
Slow down, yeah. Siddheshwara Dham. So we're gonna see this largest Hindu temple in Sikkim. So Siddheshwara Dham. Siddheshwara Dham. Siddheshwara Dham. It's beautiful. Monogon. So beautiful day. So this is, I think, largest Hindu temple in Sikkim, a whole Sikkim state, I think. So we just stop here to visit this beautiful temple, by the tranquil, peaceful Hindu temple. So gorgeous. So if you ever visit Sikkim, do not miss to visit this beautiful Hindu temple. And it's gorgeous. You better visit. Sarma Hindu temple. Our next visit is across the mountain. Right up there. It's Guru Rinpoche, so it's because of fog you better see, but you can see the yellow spot. It's a Guru Rinpoche statue. So we're gonna, after this, so we're gonna drive over there to visit Guru Rinpoche statue. Ring the bell. Just ring the bell to create the awakening for my life. It's wonderful to visit this Hindu temple. Beautiful. I see the Shiva. It's incredible. People stand there, ring the bells. So create awakening in their life, in my life, everybody's life. So may everyone get a happiness. May world create peace. That's I believe the Shiva creates. Shiva. Okay, we arrived at the Guru Rinpoche's statue. It's about there. Founder of Tibetan Buddhism. Second Buddha, we call it. That's in Guru Rinpoche. And going to second floor. It's an amazingly beautiful day, incredible. Actually, we're going through all this monasteries, temples, and statues, and this time of the year, almost there's no tourists or no pilgrims either, and we're the only one in the whole temple. And here's Dokar there. Other than that, whole third floor is empty. We are the only one. How lucky we are. No traffic, no people. We're the only one. We enjoy this beautiful, holy place. It's wonderful. Muhammad Okay, Shaju, what's next? We just visited Guru Rinpoche, Pamasambhava statue. It's beautiful. So what's next?
Next will come Buddha Park. We are going for Buddha Park.
Buddha Park?
Yeah.
Okay, so how long?
It's long from here. 1 hour for
1 hour?
1
Are you
hour.
sure?
For but yeah, I'm sure.
Okay, 1 hour. Maybe 30 minutes.
30 minutes now.
No? Okay, 1 hour on the way to Buddha Park. So we had a great time at Guru Pamasambhava's statue. It's beautiful. Buddha Park coming up. It's actually here, no? We see it? Buddha Park. Okay, we just arrived at Buddha Park. Buddha Park. Hey, Pooh. We just entered Buddha Park. That's the Buddha Park. You can see there. Beautiful. Gorgeous place. Buddha sleeping. Sleeping Buddha. Another sleeping Buddha. Through our tunnel. It's a beautiful Buddha Park. All those bamboos. Very clean. Very clean air. Very fresh. Nice. Buddha Park. Wow. What a beautiful day. Finally we made the Buddha Park in Sikkim. It's a beautiful place. It's amazing part is that this time of the year there are no tourists. Almost empty whole place, just a few people wander around. And we are so lucky to come here visiting Sikkim to see those holy site. Almost like everywhere we go, it's just empty. I mean, they may want more people to visit, but for us, it's like so blessed to have the whole place for ourselves. It's amazing. So that's what I'm sharing. If you want to come to Sikkim or India, better come in this time of the year to do a pilgrimage or visit places. It's the best place to do. All right. Sleeping Buddha. Huh? Okay, we just spent some time at the Buddha Park, right? So after Buddha Park, so now where are we going next?
Next, Darjeeling.
How far from here, Dusting?
2 hours.
2 hours from here, Dusting. Okay, so we're gonna stay there tonight, right?
Yes, we'll stay tonight.
Okay.
Darjeeling. Tomorrow we will go morning from Darjeeling to Peling.
Billy, that's right. Okay. Well, it's from Buddha Park to Darjeeling. Its road is horrendous. It's very bad road. All washed away, or road slide and potholes, and just very dangerous. And we drove down literally a cliff and going zigzag road, and a very bad road. It's just a dangerous road. We never thought we were gonna come this kind of a road, but hey, we're here. So it's quite an experience, but my heart in my throat. So hopefully we be safe, and just record this. Everybody know where we're going. On the other side of the cliff, right there, and way down is another cliff. Maybe I'll show you how to.
Cái tông bên này.
Okay, here's the shot, you and me. We walked about 10 minutes.
I feel very tired.
Yes,
Let's
tired.
go.
But we got Darjeeling Temple, but it looks like under renovation. But I think the main temple's over there. Darjeeling Monastery, one of the oldest temple in Tibetan Buddhism. Ah, yeah, Darjeeling Monastery. Darjeeling Old Monastery. closed. They built a new one. Ooh. That's the monastery. Here's a Dasdi monastery. Dasdi and Wumba.